Hey, good morning, Shadows. We are in our last official day in Belfast, but we are not staying in Belfast. We are heading out to the Giant's Causeway, and we're gonna see some really cool stuff. We're gonna see the legendary spot where Finn McCool and the Irish Giant and the Scottish Giant Budnor had their battle. But let's get out of this rain and get into the bus. See where we're going? Woo.
The Causeway called Portugal. They've also a well-known actor comes from over there.
Alright guys, so we are stopping at Carrick-a-rede Castle. It is a Norman castle. We do not have time to go in, just kind of check it out. So we're gonna cruise around, take a few pictures. It has been attacked by everybody. So, yeah, check it out. Alright guys, we are at the Carrick-a-rede rope bridge. I'm not going across. It's a 30-meter drop and it's a rope bridge. That's just not happening. But I'm gonna go up and check it out and see the sights and take some pictures and that kind of stuff. It's just not my thing. The rope bridge goes off to an island called Carrick-a-rede, which means like rock in the road. So let's go see how pretty it is. Alright guys, we have made it. We are on the walk down to the Giant's Causeway. Either story you get of how the creation goes is kind of cool. One, the scientific one, is it was volcano, erupting and lava cooling. The cool one, the one that I like, is the mythological one, where the Irish giant Finn McCool got tired of the Scottish giant berating him from across the way, and so he decided he was going to build a bridge from Ireland to Scotland, and he did. And there was a battle, and Belfast broke it, and then this is what's left of the bridge. So either way is cool. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna leave Northern Ireland in Belfast. So let's talk about Belfast. Belfast was really great. Really surprised me actually how beautiful it was. I knew how much of a rich history it had, so definitely check it out. As for Northern Ireland, we tasted a little bit of the capital and we tasted one of the biggest sights to see in Northern Ireland, but we did not even scratch the surface, so I will definitely have to come back. But I had a wonderful time, and now it's on to the Republic of Ireland. So until the next video guys, wait, make sure you check out the links below in the description so that you can follow me with my blog and my social media as well, so that you get the full 360-degree experience. So with that being said, until next video guys, safe journey.